jointly done by
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubak kami ikatanat PWD roads ubak Preston tensang hakakat South Tarik Naiwing ula pentep ba ula Bthah ya Chief Engineer National Highway ba unai ka pynshisha halor ke jingkynnoh hakabayade ba ka pyntrei torti ya ka project na surok Dawki Amlarem Jowai da ka Dhar Construction Company. Habakran syakilat pathai khubor ubak tensang ula ong. Ngala Bthah ya UCE ka National Highways ban penlong ka jing tokit la ka ni ka jingkynnoh kalong ka pynshisha ni kumno bat ngin sapet ya ka bakum kata ka pyntrei torti ha ka ba pyntrei ya ki project kam pyntrei kata la kalong ha ka liang ki lenti surok ni kinu ki project ha ka jela Meghalaya na markum kini ki jingja kim dei banjia. Nalor kata ula ong ru baha ka jingshisha ya kani ka Bthah jong ka project na surok la kami da RO station na Guwahati kata ka badai na ka Bthah ka surok National Highway Authority of India NHAI. La ban kedo baha ka South Tarik uni ubnai nai wing ka Joint Action Committee JAC ka bakentup ya ki kli nong sensarge nong ka war jaintia bat ka Senghenyo Trap Youth Council HYC kila berthen ban ujor da ka mukot duma hapo ka yeng bishar Meghalaya High Court halor ka jingkynnoh bamsa persya ya ka Dhar Company ha ka bayadei ba ka pyntrei ya ka surok Dawki Amlarem Jowai NH40E New NH206 ka balabei tingka dak sorkar pedeng ka balong hadut tingka sapulai klur. Shu ubak Preston tensong ula ong. La kadon kam ni ban pendam shisendan pyntrei kontrak na blacklisting ya kata an sabishar andalayat ka kam. Maria sedang ka kam ngan satip syai halor ka kaipat kabangan sayok pediang. Kata kumbang nga ong kani kaya day bat ka enhai namar kani ka day ka National Highway bat kam syamhap satia hapo ka jingkmi ka sorkar jela. Day ka enhai ka badan ya kabor ka bapura ha kabaya day bat kani ka project.
And the presentation jointly done by planning department and then from finance as well as from PWD roads. And the presentation is only one issue, and the issue is how to improve the working system of the PWD, be it the new road, be it the construction of new road, be it the repairing, the maintenance of the old roads. Because right now in the state of Meghalaya, we have not less than 10,000 kilometers of our own state road, excluding the national highway, excluding the road handed over to NHIDCL. So we discuss all these details, and very soon we will come up with OM, all the detailed OM, where we discuss over there as per the presentation that we should to categorize even the state road that we have here in the state. Which one is a major road? Which one is a minor road? Which one is village road? Which one is the most commercial viable approach road? These are the issues we discuss, and then we have already finalized everything, and we will come up with the with all those issues in the form of the office memorandum. Well, that one, I think, in fact, I've already instructed the CE National Highway to look into it, because in fact, this provision is being done by the RO. We call it this RO station from Guwahati of the Nahai themselves. They are the one who even passed the bill, everything. And I have already instructed therefore my chief engineer whether the allocation made is correct or not, and we will see that such kind of recklessness in the execution of project, be it road, be it any project in the state of Meghalaya, should not happen like that. Now, whether blacklist is required or not, let the process start. Once the process starts, I will know exactly, once the report I get, all the details, because as I said to you, directly this is linked to the Nahai, because this is a national highway. It does not fall under the state government authority. So the Nahai is the sole control authority of this project.